What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei P30. You might have seen me talk about the P30 Pro already online, even on this channel already, but I thought why not take a look at the P30 as well, in case you're on the market for something slightly smaller and not as big as the P30 Pro. So without further ado, let's get inside the box and give you a little introduction to see what the P30 is all about. So inside the packaging you get everything you need to get started. You get the device itself, the Huawei P30. You get a silicone case, you have a USB-C cable as well for transferring data and for charging as well. You got a SIM ejector tool, you have a 3.5mm headphone in-ear headphones, and you get a supercharger as well. This is a 25 watt Huawei supercharger, so you'll be able to power up your phone very quickly when it runs out of juice. As well as having a silicone case in the box, Huawei also included a screen protector, so you just have to peel off the first layer and you're good to go. Taking a closer look, on the right side of the P30 is a volume rocker and your power button. And here it is next to the P30 Pro, and you notice that on the bottom you have a 3.5mm headphone jack on the P30, your USB-C port and your speaker grill. On the left side of the P30 is your SIM card tray. This is where you'd insert your SIM card, and Huawei's nano-memory card if you want to expand the memory storage as well. In terms of size, the P30 is smaller than the P30 Pro for those who want a smaller device. It has a 6.1 inch OLED display with 19.5:9 Full HD Plus resolution, and it weighs 165 grams compared to the P30 Pro's 192 grams. On the back you get Triple Leica Camera setup, so you get 40 megapixel SuperSpectrum Wide Angle f1.8 camera, you got 16 megapixel Ultra Wide Angle f2.2, and an 8 megapixel 3x optical zoom at f2.4 with OIS. With the zoom you can do 3x optical zoom, 5x hybrid zoom, and 30x digital zoom. And on the front you get a 32 megapixel camera with f2.0. Elsewhere you get a 3650 mAh battery, so that should last you more than a day. You've also got 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, which you can expand as mentioned earlier with a nano-memory card from Huawei. And this is running on Kirin 980 with Dual NPU. For software you get EMUI 9, which is based on Android 9 Pie. Anyway, that's it for the Huawei P30. If there's anything you want to find out about this device or you want me to try out, drop them in the comments below. All information that you need will be in the description area as well, so do check it out. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell notification so you'll be one of the first people to know when there's a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.